this never easy.
Guys, tell me you put a grappler beam into this thing.
We're waiting on parts to come in.
But you gotta respect Red's road skills. She knows how to cruise. Wow, she, babe. You gotta do something with your luck. Seriously.
Shut it.
I gotta admit, the sloth may not be perfect, but it came through in the end. Sorta like you guys.
Not to worry, we can fix it and add more modifications.
And a new contract?
Not this time. We've got another client for that.
So, what's a car monkey?
Oh, you'll see.
What's hot, V? Got your car fixed, huh? I am so done with your brothers.
Wyatt, Car Monkey, take us to Mr. Fudgy's Ice Cream-orama.
No!
Sorry, it's in the contract that you signed.
Don't care. Get out! Later!
Grappling beam?
Yeah, the parts came in this morning.
Cool. Hop in. I'll drive you guys to Mr. Fudgy's.